Yes, sir. I think I think he's 6'3". No, actually, I think he just 6'2". I think. Yeah, I don't really remember. All right, all right, man. Let's get into these charts, dog. So if I remember right from last time, what was going on? I think we was up into. I don't even remember, but I mute them. But yeah. So what happened was we had finally got oh well no, that's not what happened. So we had finally got a daily close above the point 0.5 level, and yeah. So like once your stuff start closing past that, cause like we on a week. Actually, I shouldn't have been rationalizing like that. Like for weekly fair value gaps, like for the Fibonacci's on this, I should have been looking at the weekly. So technically, is it could be possible that this should still eat dirt like within the next 2 days. If we don't get a close above 35,805, we're going to the dirt. Actually, we just made new highs this week. So if next week if we don't set a new high and if we don't close above 35,805, then we in trouble. But I don't know. We might close. We might do it. But yeah. So from last time, I was in like a bunch of stuff, and I low key got screwed. I panic sold a lot of my stuff. My XRP actually got stopped out. My XRP got stopped out. My Doge, I had to market sell that. My and I just market sold everything because I was like, this shit looking crazy, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So the candle that I'm talking about is this big fat motherfucker right here. And on this candle, why is it not? Oh, 5.63%. And that's just where it closed at. It actually went from here, like, it went down 10%. And you know I'm trading with leverage. So, yeah, 10 times 12, that's 120%. So yeah, I got stopped out on my Doge. I got stopped out on my thing, and for some reason Ethereum wasn't going down with it. But I ended up I panicked sold everything. I was like, I'm leaving here with something. Like I wasn't about to let them just run my pockets like that. And I think I closed my Ethereum at like 2,000 or something, and it ended up going up to like 2,100 or something. Like I want to say I closed my Ethereum trade. I definitely closed it in like at the 2000s. Like let me see what time that candle hit. Doge was at this was 11 a.m. on Thursday. I closed everything at that time. Thursday 11 a.m. 11 a.m. on Thursday. Yeah, so I got to like yeah I closed it at like 2030. I closed it at like 2030. So yeah, all this up here I didn't get that. But it was still good money though. All in all, I closed my Maddest trade too, even though I definitely didn't need to close that. But I felt like I had made enough money off of it, and I was just like, yeah, it came all the way down to 7.76, and it was like I really didn't have that much invested into it at that point. I just wanted to take out my money and just start fresh and not be stressed out. And at the time that I panic sold everything, I want to say that I made like $400 overall instead of the like 1,000 that I had sitting in the P&L. Um, but it's cool, bro. Like I'm just glad I didn't end up net negative. I didn't end up net negative. I actually did pretty good. Like I want to say I was like 50%, cause I started off with like $980 and I was at like 1300 before this trade today or whatever. Uh, but yeah, Panic sold my Matic. Panic sold my Ethereum. Panic sold my Bitcoin. The Bitcoin was really looking bad. That was really what caused all of this madness. Uh, but yeah, I'm selling everything. I don't know what price I sold my Bitcoin at though. I mean, I could check. I don't think it's P&L history. Closed positions. I closed my Bitcoin at 36,887, which isn't terrible. And it was actually only like that because I closed half of it. I closed half of it at 37,300. And this is why you always take profits at the highs, man. You always try to take some partials off, bro. You take partials off, you'll be alright regardless of whatever happens. So, cause if I didn't take a partial, it probably would have said I sold at 36,300 or something like that. Or it might have been at 35 or something like that. But I took most of it off at 37,300. Um, but yeah, so yep, got panic sold. I got paper handed out of all of my trades that I was in. The P&L was like 1,000 or something like that. But we back, man, and I put most of the account on fucking Doge and Ethereum because those were the two that I saw trades on. Trader Main actually gave me this one because I wasn't even looking at Ethereum because I was like, this shit shot up so high. Like I was just gonna wait for it to come back down, but he was like, I'm about to do a little scalp trade on it. So I was like, cool, I'll fuck with it too. And it looks like we starting to form a bottom on Ethereum, even though I already done longed it. Um, so the setup for the Ethereum trade was this order block right here. Came into the order block and it's pushing off. It rejected some. But I usually don't like to enter this early. He was like he just went to enter. I was like whatever. Like usually what I like to do is I like to wait for like a low to form, a high to form, another low to form, and I want to see that high get broken before I start longing. And then once that high gets broken, I wait for a pullback to that high, and that's basically like what would be a new order block. But yeah, that's that for this one. For ETH. So yeah, my stop loss is at 2,000, and I'm gonna take a partial at 2140. Actually, I think it's like 20. Yeah, it's at 2140. Yeah, 2140. I'm gonna be taking. Be taking 50% off the table, and I'm gonna let the rest ride. Cause I heard something crazy. Like they said they was targeting fucking 3K. I was like, boy, is you crazy? But I guess when you got like a real good entry, like you could do that like that. But I'm about to just take the 50%, take my little partial and dip. Um, but yeah, so I'm in this so even after getting stopped out of my Doge trade, like I actually lost money on my Doge trade, and I won't say I was up like $200 or something like that. I was mad. I was like, damn, they really fucked over me. But I was like, it's whatever. But yeah, so I have been watching those pretty closely. So I seen that it made a SFP. So this is the low that I was looking out for. It went below that low, came back and closed way up above that low. So that was a pretty bullish sign. And for confirmation, I waited for this candle to form, and then once that candle closed, I was like, all right, let me move down to the 1 hour. I moved down to the 1 hour, and we got I think that 1 hour was like somewhere like right around here. And so what I was waiting for the first swing high to form, which was this one. And once we got a close above that swing high, which was this one, I was like, I'm going long. And well, actually no, it was like after this. Let me see the 12 hour. So this one was 7 p.m. on Thursday. 7 p.m. on Thursday. So 7 p.m. on Thursday. So this was a candle close right there. Yo, so it's actually that candle. Wow, yeah. But I didn't start looking at this trade until I didn't start looking at Dogecoin until I got to work today. So that was around like Friday at 11. So yeah, 11 o'clock I was looking at it and I saw that I seen that we had closed below this low, but for one, so these are equal lows, so they got purged. And let me delete this and probably delete that one too, so y'all can focus on this one. So yeah, so we went below these lows, and then the very next candle we closed above. That's a bullish sign right there. So I was like, cool, I'm gonna long it. And so what I did was, I don't think I actually pulled the trigger until like 3 p.m. or some shit like that. Yeah, it was like the evening when it happened. So currently, this is the trade that I'm in, if I remember right. What's my stop loss? My stop loss for this is 0.07381. 0.07381. Yeah, yeah. So I'm in this one. So I don't remember where I got it. I definitely didn't get in right here. I think I got in like a little bit higher than that. But yeah, cause it was also a breaker too. I think the breaker was actually what I was looking at. Breaker, yeah, cause they really got similar stop losses, except the breaker got a higher entry, and I think that's where I got in there. Let me see, 7489. Yeah, I actually had bought twice. I do remember buying twice. Cause I remember I said yeah. Cause if we go to the other chart, you can see it. You can see that I'm that nigga. Oh, you actually can't see it, but yeah, this is what the trade was. Yeah, it looks like I actually did it based off of the 4 hour. Wait, nah, I just did it based off of this one, but that isn't even my stop loss. So the first trade I got into, this was my stop loss, but when I got into the second one, I was like, I'm kind of like, I got some size on me, you know. So um, I ended up moving it up to that one. And it works. It's been working in my favor. And so now the play that what's in play is the damn up candle before the cluster of up candles before the down move that break market structure. So now price is probably gonna come back into this box. It might mess around with this fair value gap. Um, and then I expect to see it push up after that. And I plan on taking 50% off the table around the weekly what you call it. Cause like look at this, like we just tapped into weekly demand down there, like that one dump that we had, like cause they said the low is 0.06423. If we go down to the hour, that's this one, 0.06423. So on this candle we dipped into weekly demand, and yeah, we like pushing off of it hard. So the next objective is to uh take this high, and at this high I'm gonna be taking off 50%, and I'm gonna let it ride. After that, we might get some explosion with Doge and all that. Hopefully, we get some Elon tweets or something to keep it going. But yeah, that was my Doge plan. I did that one all by myself, and that's the one that's working the best, and that got me pretty proud. Like this is honestly really good enough for me to take profit right here, but like if I don't take profit, I'm gonna lose 137. Like I could take that. I got 1357. But yeah, this trade go through. Um Honestly, either one of these, cause what 2.26 at 2140. Oh shit, 2140, 50%. Yeah, that's $203 for that one, and that's just a small little scalp. And this one is 0.08387, 0.8387. Do that with 50% size. Oh shit, the fuck. I said point 0.08387. That's $569. That's nice. So if both of these hit TP, we could be looking at $700 more in our account, and yeah, I think it's gonna get there, man. Especially this Doge. Doge is looking really strong at the moment. ETH ETH is looking okay. ETH is looking okay. ETH is just like it's fighting that fair value gap that it formed. But I'm hoping that it do the damn thing, man. But yeah, I want to say that's about it. That's about it for you, boy. Oh, I actually have some new coins that I'm looking into right now. I ain't been fucking with XRP, but I set alerts on all of them. Um, yeah, none of these. What the hell? What is this? Oh yeah, I was waiting for a shift in market structure. I was waiting on XRP to break that high, but it keeps setting lower lows. Oh, actually, it did have a break in market structure. Well, this one went down and then it went up. Yeah, I don't know that XRP looking like so I'm gonna leave I'm gonna leave XRP alone until I see like some higher time frame market structure shifts. Like if we get an H12 close on top of yeah, actually this actually looks kind of good, but it's just like we so far away. So let me see what this look like. Boom, boom. I don't know. We might got a long down here. Let's see if we long the 50% of this gap. I don't think we about to touch the 50% again though. Like four times already. So I so if we do that and target that high, 8.99%. I don't know. I don't know, yo. I lost all the rest of my XRP trades though, so I don't know. And then I think XRP had went so crazy that we needed the yeah, we need some retracement. Like we ain't even tap into any weekly demand for XRP yet. And I could promise y'all once you get down there it's gonna be crazy. Like we ain't hit no weekly fair value gaps or nothing. Like those hitting weekly fair value gaps and order blocks and all that. XRP ain't did any of that. Like this is just all off the first move. So I don't know. Might have a nice little correction coming in. I could really do play this one though. Yeah, this the one I really want. That .62, that .6254. I'm gonna have to mark that one up. Call that daily order block. Daily OB positive. So that's that one. So yeah, we gotta get into a trade with some daily bias on XRP, man. We get some, yeah. QNT, that one had hit but never came back. I don't even remember what that is. Let me see. Weekly inverted fair value gap. Let's go to the weekly, and it actually hit. After it closed, I had this shit marked out. It hit my alert. How long it lasted for though? I might have been. Oh shit. I might have been on the bus. Might have been riding around. What time was this? Friday at 8 a.m., 10 a.m. That was last Friday. I don't. Was I working last Friday? Yeah, I've been working pretty much every weekend day. I don't know where. I might have been asleep or something. I don't know, bro. I don't know. But yeah. I hate that I might map this shit out and didn't even take the trade. It's some bullshit. But what else we got for Bitcoin? We got 31.8836. I don't even know what that is. What the hell is that? Oh, that's that shit way down there. I've been wanting to get trying, bro. Trying just been taking off like a fucking rocket, bro. Like every single level, I keep trying to. Cause once that closed, we did get a dip back into it though. I should have named this to make it more faster. Maddage crossing 5352. Yeah, we're never coming. Well, not never coming back down there. I don't know. Probably never coming back down there. I don't know, man. We probably do, but I'm gonna leave it right there. Um, yeah, I guess that was it. I could have sworn it was. Yeah, I had put an alert on Adam. I definitely put an alert on Adam. Mm, $1,600 ETH. I don't know if that interests me anymore. What is this link? I'm gonna delete that shit. That shit is out of here. Delete this $25 sold too. Definitely wanted that though. Delete that shit too. I don't know why that's on here. Let me see this other. I need to see the active alerts. Uh, I'm trying to sort by newest first. Um, first week October. Look for loan. October 22nd. Dun dun dun. Dun 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 dun. But yeah, I think that's it, y'all. Think that's it. But yeah, I'm gonna let these trades keep going, man. And I'm gonna just keep an eye out, look for this shit, try to make some extra little bread on the side. So yeah, I think. Oh yeah, I was supposed to look at Adam. I didn't even look at Adam yet. Yeah, I'm a tomorrow morning. I'm gonna go through and look at all of these. Cause I could have sworn I put an alert somewhere for Adam. Maybe it was right here. Yeah, it might have been there. Let me see, 12 hour. Yeah, that's probably what it was. It probably was daily, the daily order block for Adam. What the weekly look like on Adam? Yeah, see, yeah, once we, I mean, that could be a point of resistance up candle for a down move that breaks market structure. And it hit gap too. Yeah, so that's probably what I would do. If I were to do something, I would target 10 to 14. So I would do this whole candle, and then I would name it daily OB positive. And then I would put an alert there. Alert daily OB positive so I can know. Stretch it out so I can know. And let me see what this look like. Do that to that, and then target 1002 or 10 222. That works. That's a solid trade. We definitely gonna have to take that one if it come into it and start to make some bullish market structure for sure. But yeah, I think that's it. Doge up 5.66% on the day. It's crazy. It's out of there. Shoot it. Gone, gone, going, gone. This is makes me so happy, man. I'm so happy. Not really. I'm really kind of like numb to it at this point, man. I got me a little job that's making money, keeping the lights on and shit, and this shit just extra. But we gonna try to get all the extra we can get out of it. But yeah, y'all, I'm getting tired. So I think this is gonna conclude the stream, or I could just go through some more. Let me see, weekly. Eh, yeah. So weekly, we definitely gonna be coming back to look at some of this stuff. Yeah, that was a big down move. Like, how big is this? This fair value gap is fucking 20%. That's crazy. It don't even make no sense to even mark that as an inverted fair value gap because I ain't even gonna be able to take any trades on that shit. So what we could do with Cardano is this one. Yeah, we actually can. Yeah, I don't know. Let me see. Okay, let's see if we just got in down here since it's. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. What a weekly target would even be at? It look like we done hit the weekly target already. What fucking hell no. And this is I would have to shoot for fucking 46 cent Cardano. How much has Cardano even got up to? It got up to fucking $3 at one point in time. Okay, I don't think that's all that crazy, but still, I'm a, cause I don't even like Cardano like that. I don't even know what the fuck it do. I remember I was trying to research it about why it was so special, and I wasn't surprised. Well, I wasn't impressed. So what I might do is I might just wait on a pullback for Cardano, wait for it to come into that this bullish order block and fair value gap, and then try to long and probably target that. Cause like if I did it like that, Cardano getting at the OB, yeah. If I target those same highs, hell no, it's actually still too much too. But I mean, fucking 47%, I could just 2x that. Shit, I don't even need to use no leverage for real. But nah, we using leverage. That's what we do. More money, the better. But I think that's it. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna just stop her here, y'all. we at 30 minutes. Yep, I'm done. All right. Yep. That was the update. All right, peace, y'all. Talk to y'all later.